Alright guys, welcome to this section. On this section we'll be installing some plugins to make our website works very fine with speed and some other features. So be going with this. Let's go to add new plugins. For this add new plugin, I'll be searching for light speed. Give it time to load. Right, it's taking time. Okay, let me type Apache or Catch. Okay, it's trying to. Okay, you can see light speed Catch. You install this, but before you install, first you need to check the ratings and the last updated. You can see this was updated 1 day ago and you have almost 2 million users. So this is how you can get to know about the most used, and the most used means it is serving people well. That is why people are engaging. And you can see the star rating as well. It's 5-star rating compared to this. So once you are done, you click on activate, or we'll select them all before we activate more. Let's go with Yoast for our SEO, that is search engine optimization. Or let's type SEO and see. Why are you taking time to load? Okay, you can see this is what I'm referring to. You can see it has 5-star and over 5 million active installations. So we click on install now. So click on install now to allow it to load. Installing this jetpack, but I think that Yoast will do it better. Okay, I'll go install it as well. Or you are not advised to install more than will be needed because it will be taking spaces on your site. You're needing this contact form as well. Install it and give it time to load. So one is supposed to be done installing before installing the order. So I just have to click it before. So once you are done, you go to install plugin and you activate the plugins that you can see. There's a plugin you just imported. I will highlight, then I will go to activate and apply. Then all the plugins will be activated once. So that is the essence of this. Setup wizard. You can see this is activated. To activate this, and you activate this. So we have all these plugins activated successfully. So let's try to load our site. Let's see how fast it will be. You can see this is better. You can even count the seconds. See, it's better compared to how it was initially. So that is it. You need to know about these plugins that will make your site. You can browse more about plugins so that you understand the essence of plugins before you proceed into activating any plugin. So you must not necessarily do whatever you see me doing there are different plugins that perform the same functions. So you just do with what you know and you are conversant with and what works best for you. So that is it about plugins. Remember, we define plugins as piece of softwares that are used or available for WordPress users for some specific task. So there is no point or there is no need for someone who doesn't know much about programming to be stressful. That is what plugins does for you.